Today, we are diving into something huge, something that could literally change your bank account forever. Imagine this. You, yes, you, making serious cash not by grinding for hours, not by some complicated scheme, but by using the power of artificial intelligence to write simple things like articles, eBooks, and even video scripts. I know it sounds too good to be true, like something out of a sci-fi movie, but I'm telling you, this is real. This is happening now, and you are about to learn exactly how to get in on this gold rush. Forget everything you thought you knew about making money online, because this is a game changer. We're talking about leveraging cutting-edge AI tools, many of them free or super affordable, to create high-demand content that people and businesses are desperate to pay for. Think about it. Every website needs articles, every entrepreneur dreams of publishing an ebook, every YouTuber needs scripts. The demand is absolutely massive, and AI is your secret weapon to pump out this content faster than ever humanly possible. No more writer's block, no more staring at a blank page for hours. We're talking about generating awesome content in minutes, not days. This isn't just a side hustle. For some, this is becoming a full-blown empire, and you're getting the VIP pass to learn how. So, if you're ready to stop dreaming and start earning, if you want to see how AI can become your personal content-creating money-making machine, then you need to watch this entire video. I'm going to break down 4 insane ways you can start making money with AI writing, even if you have zero experience. Seriously, no experience needed. We're going to show you step by step. Get ready to have your mind blown, because the future of making money online is here, and it's powered by AI. Let's go! All right, let's talk about creating short, valuable digital guides using AI. Think 10-page guides on topics like how to start a balcony garden or meal prep for busy professionals. People pay good money for information that solves their problems. Your AI tool, like ChatGPT, can handle research and drafting. Just come up with a topic people are searching for. Feed it to the AI and ask for an outline. Then have the AI elaborate on each section. Review, tweak, and add your own voice. The AI does 80 to 90% of the work. Create multiple guides, test niches, and scale your income. More guides mean more potential sales. Sell on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Even at $10 a guide, sales add up quickly. With AI, creating the next guide becomes easier and faster. Next up, let's talk about something businesses are starving for: blog posts. And guess what? AI can turn you into a blog post writing machine. Every business, from local bakeries to tech giants, needs fresh content to attract customers and improve SEO. The demand is huge, and many businesses lack the time or resources to create it themselves. This is where you, powered by AI, step in like a superhero. You can offer high-quality, engaging blog posts at an incredible speed and scale. Think about it. A small business owner is juggling a million tasks. If you can take content creation off their plate, you're providing immense value. Using AI tools, you can brainstorm blog post ideas tailored to specific industries. For example, AI can help you come up with topics like 5 warning signs your water heater is about to fail. The AI can research these topics and draft initial versions of the articles, saving you countless hours. And it's not just about quantity, it's about quality too. Modern AI can help you structure posts effectively, incorporate relevant keywords for SEO, and even adapt the tone to match a specific brand's voice. You're still the editor, ensuring accuracy and adding that human touch, but the AI handles the bulk of the writing, freeing you up to manage more clients. Now let's look at that Amazon KDP listing, How to Budget as a New Mom. This is a perfect example of a niche product. While it's an ebook, the same AI skills you use for blog posts can be applied to creating targeted content like this. Businesses might want blog series that eventually become an ebook, or they might want short ebooks as lead magnets. Your AI writing skills are super versatile. Imagine a business that caters to new parents. You could use AI to help them create a series of blog posts on topics like sleep training tips, introducing solids, and yes, budgeting for a new baby. These individual posts provide value, and then they could be compiled and expanded with AI assistance into a more comprehensive ebook like the KDP example. The AI can help you research the specific pain points of new moms or any other niche audience. What are their biggest challenges? What questions are they constantly Googling? AI can analyze vast amounts of data to provide these insights, which you can then use to create incredibly relevant and helpful content, whether it's a blog post or a short ebook. Selling these skills is easier than you think. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are crawling with businesses looking for blog writers. You can also directly reach out to local businesses or companies in niches you're interested in. Show them how AI-assisted content can save them time and money while boosting their online presence. Go viral with AI YouTube scripts. The secret YouTubers don't want you to know. All right, team, let's shift gears and talk about something huge in the content world. YouTube. Video is king, and every single successful YouTube channel, big or small, runs on one critical thing: scripts. And guess what? AI is about to make you a script writing pro, even if you've never written one before in your life. This is an absolute game changer, guys. Think about the sheer number of YouTubers out there, constantly needing fresh, engaging video ideas and well-structured scripts. From gaming channels to cooking shows, from educational content to product reviews, they all need scripts to keep their audience hooked. This demand is exploding, and there's a massive opportunity for people who can deliver quality scripts quickly. This is where your new best friend AI comes into play. AI tools can be absolutely incredible for brainstorming video ideas that are likely to get views. You can feed it a channel's niche and it can spit out dozens of potential video topics complete with catchy title suggestions. No more staring at a blank page wondering what to make a video about. But it doesn't stop at ideas. AI can help you outline an entire video script. You can tell it you want a 10-minute video script about the top 5 budget smartphones, and it can generate a logical flow, intro hook, point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, and a call to action. This structure is gold for YouTubers. Then comes the actual writing. AI can help draft the voiceover or the dialogue for each section of your outline. It can help you write an attention-grabbing intro that stops people from scrolling, and a compelling outro that encourages likes, comments, and subscribes. It's like having a co-writer who's an expert in YouTube best practices. Imagine a YouTuber who needs 3 scripts a week. That's a lot of writing. By using AI to handle the initial drafting and structuring, you can significantly speed up your workflow. This means you can take on more clients, deliver faster, and ultimately make more money. Speed and efficiency are your superpowers here. Look at that Fiverr gig YouTube script writer, fast delivery. That's you. You can set up similar gigs on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, offering your AI-assisted scriptwriting services. YouTubers are actively searching for reliable scriptwriters who can help them produce content consistently. This is a ready-made market. Of course, you're not just handing over raw AI output. Your job is to refine it, inject personality, ensure it matches the YouTuber's specific style and tone, and make sure it sounds natural when spoken. If the channel is comedic, you add the humor. Easy AI profits, journals, and low-content books. Print money passively. All right, for our final method today, we're diving into something that's almost ridiculously easy to get started with, thanks to AI journals and low-content eBooks. I'm talking about things like daily planners, gratitude journals, fitness trackers, recipe logbooks, guest books, simple books that don't require pages and pages of dense text. And people love these things. What exactly are low-content books? Essentially, they are books where the user does most of the writing or filling in. The value comes from the structure, the prompts, or the framework you provide. Think of a journal with daily prompts, or a planner with pre-designed weekly layouts. The content is minimal on your part, making them super fast to create, especially with AI. Now, how does AI fit into this? It's a powerhouse for idea generation and content creation for these types of books. For example, if you want to create a gratitude journal, you can ask AI to generate 100 unique gratitude prompts. Boom! Instant content for your journal pages. This saves you an insane amount of brainstorming time. Want to create a niche fitness tracker for, say, busy moms who work from home? AI can help you brainstorm specific tracking categories relevant to that audience, like 15-minute workout slots, healthy snack ideas, or self-care moments. It can even help you structure the layout ideas for the pages. The beauty of low-content books is their simplicity. You don't need to be a master writer or a graphic design guru. For the interiors, it's often just lines, boxes, and simple text prompts. Tools like Canva have templates you can adapt, or you can create very simple layouts in minutes. AI can even help you write the introductory page or the instructions for using the journal or planner. And where do you sell these? Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, is the undisputed king for low-content books. You upload your interior PDF and your cover PDF, which AI can also help you design by giving you title ideas or even color palette suggestions. And Amazon handles the printing and shipping whenever someone buys one. This is print on demand, meaning you don't hold any inventory. Those payment notifications you see, PayPal, Stripe, Amazon KDP deposits, that's what happens when your low-content books start selling. Because the creation process is so streamlined with AI, you can create a wide variety of journals and planners targeting different niches. The more books you have, the more chances you have to make sales. It's a numbers game you can win. Niche research is super important here. Don't just create a generic notebook. Think specific dream journal for lucid dreaming enthusiasts. Your AI writing empire starts now. Don't miss out. All right, that's a wrap. We've just uncovered 4 absolutely insane ways you can start making real money, serious money, using the power of AI writing. From creating valuable digital guides and in-demand blog posts for businesses, to crafting killer YouTube scripts and easily producing profitable journals and low-content books. The opportunities are absolutely massive, and they are accessible to you right now, regardless of your prior experience. This isn't some far-off future tech. It's here, and it's ready for you to leverage. The common thread through all of this? AI is your ultimate assistant, your super-powered tool that can help you create faster, smarter, and more efficiently than ever before. It handles the heavy lifting, the research, the initial drafting, allowing you to be the creative director, the editor, the strategist. This synergy between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence is where the magic and the money happens. Stop thinking it's too complicated or that you've missed the boat. The boat is just leaving the dock and you have a first-class ticket. So what are you waiting for? The knowledge is yours, the tools are available, and the market is hungry. It's time to take action. Pick one of these methods, just one to start, and dive in. Experiment, learn, and start building your AI-powered writing income. The potential is limitless, but it all starts with that first step. Don't just watch this video, do something with this information. Start writing, start earning. And if you want more insane ways to make money and leverage new tech, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, because we've got so much more coming your way. Let's go!